evening all. Welcome back to Nibra's online class. All of you ready? Okay, so in the last class we discussed about 4-digit numbers. Okay, and if we have a 4-digit number, then we can find out, yes, how many thousands, how many hundreds, how many tens and how many ones there. Okay, all of you clear? Okay, then let's start our mathematics class. All of you take page number 20. Ready? The heading is admission number. Do you hear the word admission number? Yes, you all have admission numbers. Okay, so all of you listen here. Let us read this. Admission number. In the new school, Meenu and her friends were given consecutive admission numbers. Write the numbers and complete the table. Here there is a new term, consecutive numbers. What do you mean by consecutive numbers? Do you know about consecutive numbers? Yes, consecutive numbers means തുടർച്ചയായ സംഖ്യകൾ. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. This is an example for consecutive numbers. Another example, 10, 11, 12, 13, etc. Okay, then 100, 101, 102, 103, etc. Okay, so these are the examples of consecutive numbers. Means there is no gap between the numbers. Okay, clear? So here we have to write the consecutive admission numbers. So one is done, 3008, which is the admission number of Meenu. Okay, so they said these are consecutive admission numbers. Okay, so after 3008, one is done, 3008, which is the admission number of Meenu. Okay, so next is Jasna. So what is the admission number of Jasna? After 3008, yes, 3009. Okay, so this is the admission number of Jasna. Okay, so then after 3009, yes, 3010. Then yes, 3011. Okay, then yes, 3012. Okay, the last one, yes, after 3012, yes, 3013. So this is the last admission, Maya. So this is the last admission, Maya. The admission number is 3030. So all of you write the first one, 3008, then 3009, then 3010, then 3011, then 3012, the last one, 3013. Okay, so all of you clear? Okay, so these are consecutive admission numbers. Okay, so you just write it in your textbook. Okay, so there is a question. After them, 20 more children join. What is the admission number of the last one? Read once more. After them means after the admission of 6 students, 20 more children join. What is the admission number of the last one? So we want to find out, yes, the admission number of the last one. Okay, so now the last admission is 3030. Okay, so see, this is the last one. Okay, so after this 20 more children are joined to the school. Okay, so there is 2 methods to find out the last admission. So the first method, you just write, yes, the last one is 3030. So you just write from 3014. Yes, 3014, then 3015, then 3016. Yes, until it became, yes, 20 children. Okay, from this 20 children. Okay, so after that we get the admission number of the last one. Okay, so just then 3017, then 3018. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, only 5. Next is 3019, then yes, 3020, 20, then 21, 22, 23, 24, 3025, 3026, then 3027, 3028. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So after 3028, 3029, then 3030, then 3031, then 3032, 3033. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So here there are the admission numbers of 20 children. So they said yes, 20 more children join. Okay, so the last admission number is what? Which is the last admission number? Yes, 3033. Okay, so this is the first method. Don't forget 3033 is the last admission number. 3033. Okay, so all of you write the 3033. So this is the first method. The second method, now the last admission number is 3013. Okay, the last admission number. So after 20 more children join, so you just add 20 with 3030. Okay, so 3 plus 0, yes, 3 plus 0, 3. Okay, then 1 plus 2, yes, 3. Okay, then 0, 3. Okay, so this is the another method. You just add 20 with 3033, we get the admission number of the last one. Okay, so all of you clear? Okay, then the next question. After 1 month, the last admission number was 3049. How many new students joined? So here they given the last admission number. Okay, we have to find out how many new children joined. Okay, so the last admission number was 3049. Okay, so they given the last admission number was 3049. Okay, so we want to find out how many new children, like new students joined. Okay, so now the last admission, which is the last admission number? Yes, 3033. Okay, so you just write the numbers from 3034. Now 33, then the first admission 3034, and until it became, yes, 3049. Okay, and just count the numbers. So after that we get the, yes, number of students. Okay, so just write 3034, yes, 3035, then 3036, then yes, 3037, yes, 3038, then 3039, 3040, after, yes, 3041, then 3042, then 3043, 3044, 3045, 46, 3047, then 3048, and the last one 3049. Okay, sorry, 3048. Okay, so the last one is 3049. So just count 1, 2, 3. So the last admission number was 3033. Okay, so from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So here how many students join? Yes, 16 students. Okay, so the answer is 16 students. So this is the first method. Okay, here also a second method. The second method is, the first admission number is what? Yes, 3034. And the last admission number? Yes, 3049. Okay, then you just subtract 3034 from 3049. 3034 from 3049. Okay, so 9 minus 5. What is 9 minus 5? Sorry, 9 minus 4. What is 9 minus 4? Yes, 5. Then 4 minus 3? Yes, 1. So we get 15. So after this, you just add 1 with 15. So we get, yes, 16. So this is the number of students joined. Okay, so once more, the first admission is 3034 and the last admission 3049. So you just subtract 3034 from, yes, 3049. So we get 15. After that you just add 1. Then we get the number of students. Okay, so this is a second method. Okay, clear? So here we studied consecutive numbers. Okay, consecutive numbers means what? Yes, the numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. And then now, yes, 1008, 1009, 1010, etc. Okay, so don't forget the numbers, there is no gap between the numbers. And also the numbers start from smallest to largest. Okay. Next topic is World Cup football. So all of you look at World Cup football. Let us read this. World Cup football tournament is held every 4 years. Write in the order the years in which the tournament was held. So here they said World Cup football tournament is held every 4 years. Okay. So write in order. So here given, yes, the names of countries and the 1 year. So what is that? Yes, 1990. Yes. Which country? Yes, Italy. Okay. So we want to find out the other years. Okay. So there are, yes, Argentina, Spain, Mexico, Italy, USA, France, South Korea, Japan, Germany, South Africa and Brazil. So one is done for you, Italy, 1990. Okay, so they said the World Cup tournament is held, yes, every 4 years. So below the Italy is, yes, you just add 4, okay, with the year. And then above, yes, you just subtract 4 from the year. For example, after Italy, yes, USA. So which is the year here? Yes, after 90. Yes, they said the tournament is held every 4 years. So add 4. So 0 plus 4, 4, 9, 9, 1. So 1994, 1994. Okay, so above Italy. Yes, you just subtract 4 from 1990. So 0 minus 4, no. So here 10 and here 8. So 10 minus 6, so 10 minus 4, yes, 6. So here 8. So 8, 9, 1. So 1986. So here 1986. Which country? Yes, Mexico. Mexico. Okay. So all of you write it yourself, the other years. For that I will give you a few minutes. Just find out the other years. Okay, all of you finish? Then look at this. Here, first we write Italy 1990 and then yes, Mexico 1986 and then USA 1994. Okay, so after Italy you just add 4 with the years and before, yes, you just subtract 4 from this years. So 1990 plus 4, yes, 1994, then plus 4, yes, 98, then yes, 2012, then 2006, then 2010, the last one, yes, 2014. Okay, so all here there is gap is 4. Okay, so all of you clear? Okay, just look at this and check with your answer. Okay, then take next page, page number 21. Here is 2 questions. The first question, the next World Cup will be held in which year? So the last one is 2014. So the question is, the next World Cup will be held in which year? Okay, so the last one is 2014. Okay, so next, yes, after 2040, yes, 2040 plus 4, what? Yes, 2018. Okay, so all of you write the 2018. Okay, clear? The next question, if continues to be held this way, would there be a tournament in 2025? So the question is there a tournament in 2025? So now 2040, then 2018. Okay, so the question is there any tournament in 2025? Okay, so after 2080, 2090, 20, 21, 22. Okay, so next 2022, then plus 4, 2022 plus 4, what? 4 plus 2, yes, 6, then 202. So the next tournament is in, yes, 2026. So is there any tournament in 2025? No, after 2022 in 2026. Okay, so all of you write there no. Okay, all of you clear? Okay, then the next is mountains. There is a question. The name and height of some mountains are given below. List them from shortest to highest. This is your homework. Okay, so question once more. The names and height of some mountains are given below. Okay, so here they given the names of some mountains and the height also. So list them from shortest to smallest, from small to big. Okay, so all of you write the height of mountains from smallest to largest. Clear? Okay, if you have any doubt, then you ask me after this class. Okay, then let us wind up our class. See you in the next class. Okay.